Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? Today, we got ourselves a banger daily market news analysis. What is up? How's everyone feeling out of 10? Let me know down in the comments below. Make sure you guys are spam that like button, hitting that share so other people can spam that like button. I don't know what's up with this music today. Kind of weird. All right. Nope, that ain't it either. All right, let's get this party started, y'all. All right, as of the time of recording, and let's pull this down. Whoops. Man, I'm just all discombobulated. As of the time of recording, Bitcoin sitting at $87,420. Says your boy turned bearish today. What up, Ski? What's up, fam? Bull run or no bull run for alts? We'll get into that. How you doing, Ski? I'm doing fan-freaking-tastic. What's happening? You don't stream on TikTok anymore? I'm on TikTok right now. I don't show my charts on TikTok anymore because every time I do, Big Brother doesn't like it. So if you want to see the charts, I'm live on X and I'm live on YouTube right now. All right, let's get into it. As of the time of recording, Bitcoin sitting at $87,420. 420 blazing, bruh. 420 blazing. And having a green day. And I made a market update today. I went really deep in it. Let me know how you guys like these type of videos. I did some fundamental analysis. I did some technical analysis. I did what the news, the narratives were, what the suits are saying, and what I actually think. I went all into it. But basically, we had the Trump Bitcoin Strategic Reserve along with Ethereum, ADA, and Solana, XRP, etc. We had a big pump out of the altcoins. We had a big pump out of Bitcoin. And then there was some insider trading, perhaps, with the whale going 50x long during the midnight hour, during the burning of the midnight hour. And then they pulled the rug, going short, 50x long short, minutes, hours before Trump announced that the tariffs were going in place. But when you take all the sloshing up and down all around, what has really happened and where are we really at? Well, we're creating higher lows right now. And that's what we're having. And we're having a nice bounce off of the 200 moving average for Bitcoin. And this is a good sign and a good start, in my opinion. Now, what I would like to see is us getting above 95,000 for Bitcoin and creating a higher high. Right now, we have higher lows. Great. Fantastic. Wonderful. And what I want to see is the higher high from Bitcoin as well. As far as the altcoins, they're looking a lot better, in my opinion. All of them have held their lows, most of them, and having higher highs, and some of them are even making higher they're all having higher lows, and some of them are even making higher highs. So great. Either way we go, and I made the video today, and I talked about where is the line in the sand for Bitcoin. The line in the sand was $88,000. We actually hit that today. We're at $87,400. I would like to see a daily body close above $88,000, and that would very quickly put us into $100,000, in my opinion, which is great news, and that would create a higher high and have a continuation. The line in the sand to the bottom for Bitcoin is $80,000. If $80,000 gets taken out, in all honesty, we're probably going to go to about $75,000 for Bitcoin. Either way we go, even if that happens, I don't think that that's going to happen because I was making the video. I was preparing for the video, doing my research for the video that I made this morning. and it was $82,000. I couldn't even get it out before it was already $87,000 as I was editing the video. So I'm leaning very, very strong towards 88,000. But even if it happens, I believe that the altcoins have bottomed. Period. I think that the altcoins have bottomed, and we have a very similar structure in between the C19 crash as well as the 2021 rejection that we had over here. Okay, so we had a big bull run for Bitcoin, and then we had a massive pullback, 36% correction, I believe it was. 31% correction for Bitcoin. The altcoins got crushed during this time, but they started making higher lows and higher highs, and then that's when we really got our alt season. Okay, the funny thing is, during the same time, others hit the critical support, and it hit the same exact one. So things are looking very good for the altcoins. The thing that I find very interesting during all of this, though, is the DXY. So while Bitcoin was pulling back, while the stock market was pulling back, the DXY has just been falling off a cliff. In my opinion, somebody's lying, because they don't fall together, but right now they're falling together. And we're at the critical level of 105.3 right now for the DXY. We need this to fall off a cliff. It looks like it's doing it. What I would like to see is 105.6 daily body closes for the DXY. Getting below that could really set us up for something really good. Okay? So I'm encouraged with what I'm seeing with Bitcoin. I'm encouraged with what I'm seeing with the altcoins. I'm encouraged with what I'm seeing with Bitcoin dominance. Looking very good, in my opinion. DXY has dumped today. Yes, I agree. All right. Let's look at Bitcoin dominance, and then we'll get into your guys' questions and concerns. I will say, like, from a fundamental perspective, there's a lot of economic uncertainty right now. But from a chart perspective, I don't feel that way at all. So we'll see which one comes first, the chicken or the egg. My perspective, it's always the chicken comes first. Show me the charts and I will tell you the news. Bear market coming sooner than later. Do you see Flux going any lower? I do not. Telling people the bottom is in is so irresponsible. Okay, bro. I'm telling people what I see. Did I say go 50x long? No, I didn't. Was it irresponsible for me to do that in 2022 at $16,000? Let me know. Let me know in the comments when I was making videos saying that the bottom was in when Bitcoin was at $16,000. Let me know if it was irresponsible then. Or when Silicon Valley Bank went to zero, I said that was a local bottom. Let me know if that was irresponsible then as well. Or how about when the war in Israel kicked off and I said that the local bottom was in? Was that irresponsible then? Or how about when Mt. Gox in Germany was selling their Bitcoin? I called that at $53,000. I said that was a local bottom. Was it irresponsible then? Or how about when Japan cut the rates and Bitcoin got to $49,000? Was it irresponsible then? Let me know. Let me know. Thoughts on ADA? I like ADA and I just talked about this in my video. Jay, thanks for the W's, bro. Not really. Ski was my high school crush. Bro's capping. I lost my train of thought. Oh, ADA, out of all the coins mentioned, and I just made a video on this, out of all the coins mentioned in the Bitcoin or the crypto strategic reserve, that's what I needed to call it, the crypto strategic reserve. Out of all of the coins mentioned, ADA to me is the one that has the most upside potential value. Like, I think Solana is going to perform well, but I don't think it's going to change your life. I think Ethereum is going to perform well, but I don't think it's going to change your life. I think Bitcoin gets to $138,000 to $200,000. It's not going to change your life. XRP gets to $5 to $8. It's not going to change your life. ADA to me has the most upside potential, and I'm looking to what I just made a video on this. What I'm looking to do is position myself and research into the ecosystem of these coins, because rising tides floats all ships. Do you teach technical and fundamental of financial market in your program? I teach technicals. I'm not really a fundamental analyzer. I've been including it in my daily market updates, but that's not really my bread and butter. Do you see ADA going higher because of the reserve? No, I still have the same target for ADA, $6 or $8. Thoughts on Radium? I held Jupiter while Radium outperformed. Radium has a lot more inflation than what I thought. I'm not a fan of Radium anymore. It's fine long term, but for this, I like the defensive Ski. What's up, Ski? Nice to catch you live. It's nice to see you. Jill was an OG. Jill, I'm pretty sure Jill was a day one on Solnic. It says Alex is depressing. I mean, he has his convictions. I have a lot of respect for Alex. I talked about this. I think I talked about it yesterday. And I'll say this, right? Me and Alex don't always agree on everything. It's awesome. It's great. This is what I'll say, though. Like, in 2022, there was lots of creators. In 2021, many of them went away. The ones that were still here in 2022 and 2023, publicly making videos, I can think of 5 creators. Period. End of list. Now, does that mean that we're the end all, be all, know all, tell all for the right price? No, that's not what that means. Does that mean that we'll always be right and we'll never be wrong? No, that's not what that means. Does that mean that the ones that were wrong in 2022 and 2023 will never be right? No. Does that mean that they can't improve their craft? It doesn't mean any of these things, right? But what I can say for a fact, and here's my opinion on every creator. Here's what I know. Out of all the crypto creators, the only ones that I'm aware of that were publicly bullish, making videos and content stating that they were bullish, is myself, Alex, Calvin, Blockchain Backer, and Waters Above. That's the end of the list. Is Solnic still going to $1? Yes. And I don't know if you're a part of the Dolphin or the Whale group, but we have big announcements over there for Solnic. We have a partnership that we have secured. We're actually going to have a meeting after this. And to pay for this partnership, the NFTs are half off. And they do come with exclusive benefits, such as exclusive access to my private group, all of that stuff, lifetime access. 2 NFTs get you lifetime access. So that is going to be half off. We're having a partnership sale. The bottom's in. William Watson bailed on his port today for 24 hours time this cycle. I don't know what that means. Is there like a reverse William Watson trade? XRP, $8 XRP changes a lot in my life. No, I agree. Like, if you position yourself in 2022 when XRP was 30 cents, I agree. That is life-changing money. But I'm just saying right now, if what I'm speaking towards is like retail who's not already positioned in any of these coins, I don't think XRP at $2 going to $8 is changing life. You know what I'm saying? OGs stand up. Disobey. Are you a VRA fan? Hey, Ski, what do you think about Kronos? I like Kronos a lot. I would not be shocked in the slightest if VeChain or Kronos or HBAR gets or Link. Those would be my top suspicions of being added on Friday. Lightweight, yeah, buddy. Yep. Alvarez is a good source for fundamentals, and his macro knowledge is impressive. I have a lot of respect for Alvarez. What up, family? Crazy times. Great time to be alive. I agree. It is a great time to be alive. William Watson selling is a bottom signal. Is it? Is there like a reverse William Watson, like Kramer type deal? I don't know. So what else is going on the list? Crypto is people versus people. Okay. Crypto is people versus people. Tell that to the United States government. Tell that to Texas. Tell that to Utah. Tell that to Arizona. Tell that to all the other states who are getting a Bitcoin strategic reserve. Crypto is people versus institutions. And that's the same game that's always been played forever. How much SOL do you need to become a partner? A partner of what? How to buy the NFTs? Launchmynft.io and search hedge funds. So that is 2 NFTs get you lifetime access to the Telegram. And all of the funds are going to be paying for the partnerships. You think Chainlink is a pick for the reserve? I think it's a good possibility, yes. This music is like, that ain't it today, bro. I don't know what they got going on. XCC and XLM will make you very comfortable in life. I like them. Crypto is king. There's lots of possibilities. What are your thoughts on ICP right now? I like ICP a lot. Edward, thanks for the roses, the ice cream cone, the chili, the lightning, the GGs, the heart puffs, the TikTok, the cord. You savage, bro. Broski, what's up, fam? Solana update, please. I buy at 131. Is it a good target for short time? I think so. Especially like with the news, like my God. My play is the Solana ecosystem, right? The Solana ecosystem. Solana's okay, but my play is the ecosystem. It's making the higher low structure, which is a good sign. Both on both of these. Bro, what the hell is this music? Can we get something good? Thanks for the hat and mustache. Yeah. Bro, we're about to turn the music off if they don't get it together. Or what I'm going to do is go back to Stream Beats because they never let me down. There we go. I don't know. Can you guys hear that on TikTok? Let me add this right quick. Why is it no sound detected? There we go. All right, that should fix the issue on TikTok. My God. Can you guys hear it on YouTube? The music? I have 2 million Solnick. Send that to $1, please. I got you. Murphy, thanks for becoming a subscriber. What do you personally think about the crypto reserve? I think it's the most bullish thing that crypto has ever had, ever. And I'm not trying to be hyperbolic, but the same time that this is happening, sentiment from retail is the lowest it's ever been since FTX went to zero, or maybe since the Japan cut. It's the lowest that retail has felt about crypto, and we have the most bullish news that is humanly possible. That I can even, if you give me a week and just think of like, hey, Ski, what's the craziest thing that you can think of for crypto? That would be the most bullish. You have it your way. You're God for a day. You can do whatever you want to make it the most bullish for crypto imaginable. If you gave me a week, I don't think I could come up with a more bullish narrative. And retail they're just like, nope, the bear market's here, bro. Bear market's here. Couldn't be me. Press the like button. How do we get in the Dolphin group? Into the Telegram /whale. Hey, do you predict Solnick? When do you predict Solnick peaks in 2025? At the end of 2025. Have you ever looked into Axelar? I have not. No music on YouTube. Is that a fact? Is it over? It's not over. Could you guys don't hear music on YouTube anymore? Is that right? Ski, do you honestly think that the meme space still has parabolic motion left with people out here struggling to pay rent, food on the table? Well, it's not coming from regular people struggling to pay rent. Those people exist. I get it, but that's not where the parabolic movement is coming from. It never has. But Ski! No music. Okay. Well. Huh. That's unfortunate. Because I don't know how to fix that. I remember why we did it now. Dang it. All right. Let's try lo-fi again. I typed in the Solnick on NFT website, not seeing it. You typed in... No, you have to type in hedge funds. HEDZ. There we go. All right, they fixed their act. Okay, we'll give them another chance. For a second there, I was worried. I was like, what in the world are they playing? What are they playing, bro? All right, there we go. We're back. We're so back, baby. Okay. It just makes me laugh when influencers or anyone in general tell you what's going to happen. Well, I have a pretty good track record, Jay. 2022, made videos, documented. The bottom was in. When FTX went to zero, I said I would shave my head. Was you laughing then when Bitcoin was at $16,000 and I was screaming from the mountaintops to buy? Keep laughing. I will laugh all the way to the bank. Or how about when Silicon Valley Bank went to zero? Bitcoin was at $20,000 and I said I would shave my head if we went lower. At $20,000 on the day I said it was a local bottom. Was you laughing then? Or how about when the war in Israel kicked off, Bitcoin pulled back to $25,000. I said I would shave my head and my face and my cat if Bitcoin went lower. Was you laughing then? Or how about when Germany and Mt. Gox were selling their Bitcoin and we pulled back to $53,000 and I said it was a local bottom? Was you laughing then? Or how about when Japan cut their rates and went to $49,000 and I said it was a local bottom? Was you laughing then? Thank you for the $2.99 donation, bro. I appreciate you. Can you check out Tars AI, please? Sure can. TARSAI. TARSAI. I don't love this chart. I don't hate this chart. It's at a lot of support. Is this the only chart? Retracement's 37 cents. Parabolic 114. So, Ski, you don't feel 1.14 trillion stimulus printed last cycle flowed into crypto space? I absolutely think it did. It sure did. But guess what? We had quantitative tightening in 2017. We've had a bull market with quantitative easing, and we've had a bull market with quantitative tightening. This idea that we have to have quantitative easing to have a bull market is recency bias. It'll help, but it's not necessary. 2017. What qualifies you to speak at the council? Do you think coins that are selected in the reserve still have the same pullbacks as normal? Yep, I sure do. I just think it's a guaranteed reason that it's going to go parabolic. Are you saying buying now? Yes. Altcoins have bottomed, in my opinion. Type in what? NFT.I. Someone give him the... Dano, can you give him the website? Can you give Earl on TikTok the website for the hedge funds NFTs, please? It's launchmynft.io. Search hedge. It should be in my link. If it's not, I will update it tonight. We have music. Okay, good. Hey, Ski, can you chart Cardano? I love Cardano right now. I'm going to answer this question from Joe, and then we're going to come back to Cardano. Okay. Is Sonic and Hehe likely to hit $1 billion market cap or too bullish? This bull market or the next, we will hit $1 billion market cap. At a minimum, Sonic is going to hit $75 million market cap, 7.5 cents. The real number is 100 million. My wife's boyfriend said that it's going to be a bear market until Trump starts the third term. The third term! We're cooked. All right, let's look at Algo. Or ADA, excuse me. What would make you exit the market, sir? Parabolic or retracements? My grandmother asking me about crypto. Bitcoin or crypto on the Google making an all-time high. Lots of things would make me exit. I exited XRP at $3.33. It's not like I'm just a perma bull forever. Many things I've been bearish on. Cardano or Flux? Damn, that's a tough one. I would say that Cardano has a leg up right now. But I like Flux's upside potential more. Yeah, ADA, man, this is a really strong looking chart on the macro and on the micro. We're having a higher highs and higher lows, structure. We had a huge move to the upside, 100%, and then everyone's just crying about pulling back 30% after you do 100% in a day. Right? Insanity. Right? 10 years of stock market gains in a day is what Cardano did. And then it pulled back 30%. And everyone's losing their minds. And guess what? It already took it all back again. Yeah, I really like ADA right now. $6 to $8 is my target for that. Thank you for the $2 donation. Elevate your third eye. I appreciate you. Can you check Destra? Take a look. DESTRA. The fuck is this music, bro? Kind of the same as the other one you pulled up. It's just at the bear market lows here. It's starting to make higher lows right now. I would like to see it make a higher high. 24 cents would be a higher high, and that would be a reversal. The 200 moving average right here is 25 cents. I'd like to see it on top of that to put it back into bullish posture. And then if it does, 83 cents. What happened to camping? I went camping. I came back. I'm going camping again. Don't worry. ETH 10,000 possible or ETH 1,000 possible. I think ETH 10,000 is more likely. $6 to $8 by the end of the year. I think so. Do you think 88 can reach 720? I think so. Alts are cheaper now than in 2022. LOL. Some of them, the ones with terrible tokenomics, are. You went out full on XRP. Thought it was only 30%. I clarified this 176 times. My plan was to sell 30% of my XRP. I sold 40% of my XRP at $3.33 because my land was more expensive than my budget. I've said it 176 times. Let me say it one more time. My plan was 30% of my XRP at $3.33, but I sold 40% because my land was more expensive than my budget. Let me say it 178 times so you remember it. My plan was 30% selling XRP at $3.33, but I sold 40% because my land was more expensive than my budget. So if ETH gets to 10,000, that means those coins and the ecosystem will moon. I agree. That's why I just made a video about this. I think that's the case. Listen, I'm not that bullish on Ethereum. It's going to do well. It's going to do fine. $7,000. I'm not that bullish on Solana. It's going to do fine. $500. I'm not that bullish on XRP. It's going to do fine. It's going to get to $5. All those are fine. But rising tides floats all ships. I'm going to be diving into the ecosystem of these coins. That's where the play is, especially the ones with low to no inflation, good tokenomics. What do you think of what happened on the summit? I'm very bullish. Okay, I think that they're probably going to add another couple of coins. My top 3 picks that they might add would be VeChain, HBAR, or I could see him adding Link. Nick, thanks for the tiny tiny, the lightning, the chili, the W, the goat, you savage. Is a VeChain China? It's a partner with Dana. Don't you know it's the boys club and the UFC? It's all about the boys club. Will transferring my crypto to Cold Wallet stop my staking? You can have it on your Cold Wallet and stake, but yes, it would temporarily. But you can stake on a Cold Wallet storage. Thank you for the heart, Danny. Thanks for the lightning, bro. You savage. Link makes the most sense. I think so. HBAR 2. Summit. Sell the news event. We'll see what the charts do. If the charts are ripping on Thursday, I would say yes. If they're not, I'm going to say no. He says, I think his plan was to sell 30, but his budget was more expensive than the land. Exactly. Are you in XPR Proton? I'm not. Could they add Solnic? They could add Solana, which they already did, which rising tides are going to float all ships. How are you feeling of the rest of the week, Ski? My God. I'm feeling really good. Can you explain what's going on with ETH? They have an upgrade launching tomorrow. I'll do a deep dive on that, and I'll make a video on it. The short answer is I'm not in Ethereum like that. But I will do a deep dive. I think that other people are probably interested in that, and I'll make a video for you. HB, thanks for the hat and mustache, bro. You savage. Alluvium, please. Alluvium has too much inflation for me. Do we get a run when you go camping because you scare the bears away? That's right. Me and Satoshi have a little chat. And I say, hey, bro, enough. And then he turns the market around. When on chain. I'm pretty sure. I mean, it's sometime this month. Cliff was supposed to get a date on that. I'll message them. If we don't have a date tomorrow, there's consequences. I owe you guys 100 push-ups. Still bully on Solnic? I'm absolutely bullish on Solnic. Solana just got added to the ecosystem, and Solnic just got one of the biggest partnerships that is possible to have. And I think that the partnership will minimum get us to my beard being safe, aka 7.5 cents, aka $75 million market cap. Chainlink. I like Chainlink a lot. $80 to $180. Why your 30% target was 333, which is 10x, while ICP target is only 6x. It's all based off of Fibonacci's. I've been in XRP for a long time. My target, this was my plan from 2022, and that's why I'm not emotional about it. Listen, here was my plan. 10% at $1.11. I did that. 10% at 2.22. I did that. 30% at 333. I did 40%. The rest is 5, 8, and 12. Rose prediction, 38 cents. You working on the burn and earn video? I have so many videos that I have to do. Yes. They want to hold for parabolic only. Yes, that's right. I don't think Sol is a US made coin. Like, that's a narrative. Like, who said that it has to be US? I don't know where that came from. VeChain. I like VeChain a lot. I think VeChain gets a minimum to 40 cents. 69 cents is my parabolic target. When can you spill the beans on the partnership? Are you back in the... I tried to add you back into the whale group. Are you in the dolphin group at least? I can spill the beans after it is done. Should Kamala have won instead? Listen, I had the same targets. ICP is not a 6x for me. I think that ICP gets north of $100 for a parabolic. Rose, 38 cents. Every indicator for bull peak never got hit. What's up with that? Because we haven't hit the bull peak. Alex, I agree. How do you get into the Dolphin group? You need at least 1 million Solnic and then / Dolphin in the Telegram group, and you should be able to do that. Trump said no tax on American crypto. Is that verified? Is that confirmed? Is that the best AI coin? ICP? I think the best AI is Flux, personally. Does the cream always rise to the top? The cream always rise to the top. Is that real? Someone send me an article. No taxes on Bitcoin. Is that real? Did that just really happen? Leroy Jenkins. Dynex still hit $5? I think so. Ondo's okay. No tax on crypto. Is that real? No, Trump did not. You guys are trolling me. You guys are trolling me. I think Pepe does a 3 to 4x. That's where it came from. Dano says he sent me a message on Telegram. Let's see. I don't see anything. In our little in our group. Leroy, whoopsies. All right, are you still bull on XYO? Yes, I am. Brandon has entered the conversation. Thank you for the roses, V Nizzle. What's up, bro? Eric mentioned no tax on American-made coins, but it's not in law yet. Okay, I get it. Ski, what's up, Soda community? What's up, fam? Where it's half off the NFTs, which get you lifetime access to my course, my calls, my holdings. Anytime I buy, sell, it's half off. That's what's up. It's a partnership sale because Sonic has one of the biggest partnerships that has ever existed. Made 8K today. Let's go, Allison. Allison Wonderland. Glad to see your live streams. I'm glad to have you here, bro. Can Rose get to 58 cents? I think so. Says loan me 4K. Damn it. Right after that, right after this live stream, we're having a whale meeting. So if you're a whale, be a part of the meeting because we got some things. We got some big news with Solnic. When will you tell us the Solnic partnership? You will see it. No tax on Solnic. Congratulations on Sol making the reserve. Happy XRP went. Ski is the course inside the Telegram. It is inside the Telegram. I upload there weekly. Get me in there. Dano, I don't know how to get you in there, bro. How about I record it and I'll send you the video. Can Solnic be the reserve currency? How's the BYOB documentary coming along? Haven't heard much. Still working on it. My farm is a lot closer to where it's going to be filmed, so that's part of the incentive for me to move as well. So I'm going to be moving in the summertime. I'm going to be moving full time into the farm, and then I'll be transitioning into working on that a lot more full time as well. There won't be a parabolic run this year, only an alt movement. I think everyone wants an alt movement anyway, but I disagree. Hi, Ski. What's up, fam? Can Flux get to $20? I think that's possible. $5 is more probable. What do you think Trump's announcement will be tonight? What time is he announcing what? So you discrete retail holders, everyone should be the same level. You discredit retail holders, everyone should be the same level. How do I discredit retail holders? I discredit them against BlackRock. They're not beating BlackRock, no. We're not the same. Look, I'm not the same athletically as LeBron James. That's a fact. Talk Solnic to us. Solnic has partnered with one of the biggest partners. And because of this, to raise the funds to pay for this partnership, the NFTs are half off. We're still working on the stable coin. We're still working on the DeFi, the swap app, the staking, the lending, the borrowing, and we're still working on the documentary. And we are positioning ourselves with the partnership, perhaps at the buzzer. And I think that you think of like Trump, and then Elon, and then maybe the next biggest person. That's who it is on Twitter. So a really big person that's going to be partnered with Solnic and really going to market all of the great products that we're going to be offering. And I think the partnership alone will get us to the point where my beard is safe, aka $75 million market cap. Amazon, McDonald's. You're right. You ain't LeBron. You MJ. What's the name of the marketing company? You have to be a whale or a dolphin to know. And if you're not, you will know when the time is right. Where's Bitcoin going next? In my opinion, if we daily body close above 88,000, the next move is 100,000. Is he shaving his beard yet? If Bitcoin goes to 70,000 before 118, I will shave my beard. If Solnic does not reach $75 million market cap, I will also shave my beard. Those are the beard bets. I need an honest opinion on Pi Network. I'm not a fan of Pi Network. I call myself a whale, so what can I know? The third most followed person on X is Justin Bieber. I'll believe it when I see it. Okay. Solnic on Google is the news. That's also news, but that's not the news. Other news. Meme scam. Solnic is not a meme. Solnic is DeFi. Top ETH ecosystem play. Probably Matic. Tell me it's not Taylor Swift. It's not Taylor Swift. Whale can know, but not smaller holders. The dolphins can know. Not just the whales. The dolphins can know too. The whales have to pay for it. If you want to help pay for it, then yeah, sure, you can know. If you want to put up tokens, you can know. Can you give me a timeline on the partnership announcement? Very soon. I would say this month. You have a WhatsApp? I don't have a WhatsApp. Is it the UFC? It's not the UFC. Do you think Rose can reach $1 to $2? That's the most parabolic. 38 cents is the probable. What's your connection with Vault Inu? I have no connection with Vault Inu. It says, all you whales out there, how you doing? How to be a whale. You need to own 5 million Solnic and then / whale in the Telegram. All right, somebody blocked this person. I got him. Think about Pepe coin. I think Pepe can 3 to 4x. Says, I'm a long-term holder. Don't care. Next. Don't worry, bro. You'll know very soon. The only reason that the whales know is because we need to get the infrastructure in place. Solnic on Google. That's the news. Solnic will be able to be bought on Google this month as well. But that's not the news. I got a mil so far. You're a dolphin then. It's in the dolphin group as well. It's not Kane. It's not Kanye, Kamala, or Joe Biden. How does the Bitcoin chart look? The Bitcoin chart looks good to me. We need to close the daily body above 88,000. If we do that, the next move is 100,000. If we close below 80,000, we're probably going to go back to 70,000. I'm leaning more towards we're going to go to 88,000. Either way we go, I think the altcoins have bottomed. What do you mean by getting infrastructure in place? Listen, if we're going to have one of the largest marketing platforms, we need to have long-term conversions, long-term holders, long-term systems in play to really take Solnic to where we need to go. We're not just going to throw money at something. We're going to convert long-term because that's what this is. Where is he streaming? I'm streaming on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch. Thoughts on XRP being a part of the crypto reserve? I wasn't anticipating it. XRP is one of my largest holdings. No, I think it's great news. I still have the same price target, Leo, $5 to $14. Hey, Ski, last question. Are we on schedule? Everything on track bull season? Yeah, I think so. I think so. Is the Solnic partnership with Theo Von? It's not with Theo Von. I'm Crypto Wendio. It's a fake of a fake. Yes, for hee hee. What do you expect altcoins to peak? When do you expect altcoins to peak? Late 2025. Cristiano Ronaldo is the third most followed on X. It's not Cristiano Ronaldo. What's going on with Polygon? I think Polygon might be a move here. Actually. Because I don't think that Ethereum's going to do fine. It's going to get to, it's going to get to $7,000. But I think that the coins that are in the ecosystem of Ethereum are really going to benefit. What's the minimum to get in the Dolphin Club? 1 million Solnick. Why do people ask about the future? Glenn is a smart man. Crypto Glenn. I don't know who Crypto Glenn is. This is what I know, though. This is what I know. When the markets come down and views get scarce, you'll see like creators get a little nippy at each other. So that's kind of what I think it is. Is HBAR a move? The HBAR ecosystem. I think that HBAR has a good chance of getting on this list. We'll see. I know who it is, guys. No more wondering. It's my wife's boyfriend. I got it. It's Zuck. Are you still bullish on ICP? Yes, I'm still bullish on ICP. The Solnick partnerships with Bare Naked Crypto. I said it's bullish, not bearish. I said it's good. It's not Ben Armstrong. Oh, no. Bigger than Ben Armstrong. Just saw a video in the Dolphin group. Nice, Nick. Nawful. It's Mr. Joe. Have any of your price predictions changed on coins? Sorry. Have any... My God. Where did your comment go? Have any of your price predictions changed on coins that are included into the strategic reserve? No, they have not. They have not. Listen, if I'm going to be stubborn at the bottom, guess what? I'm going to be stubborn at the top too. Nick, thank you for the perfume, the tiny diny, the W. You savage. I appreciate you. No, they have not changed for Solana, Ethereum, XRP, ADA. They're all the same. And that's what I just made a video on this Build Basic too of like I think Ethereum's going to do fine. It's going to go to $7,000, right? I'm not that bullish on Ethereum, but what makes me really bullish though, with Ethereum being included in this, is the Ethereum ecosystem, I think, is the play. Same thing for Solana. I'm not that bullish on Solana. I think it goes to $500. Like, that's really good when you compare it to the stock market or real estate or silver or gold. That's fantastic. But I'm really bullish on the Solana ecosystem, right? Rising tides floats all ships. Same thing. XRP. I'm not that bullish on XRP. I think it goes to $5. That's great compared to the stock market, right? But I'm bullish on the XRP ecosystem. The only one that I'm even bullish by itself, where I think it's still a really good value, is ADA. I think it gets to $6 or $8. But I'm bullish on the ADA ecosystem. TikTok live. Oh. Okay. Whoopsies. All right, listen. Sorry to everyone who was watching on TikTok. They sent me a verification thing and I didn't do it because I wasn't looking at it. So that's on me. The good news is they didn't suspend me or anything like that. Okay, that's fine. They sent me a verification and I didn't get it done. So that's what that was. Because we went over an hour. TikTok rip. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. TikTok gave me the 5-minute code and I didn't do it in time. That's on me. At least they didn't suspend me this time. My God. Yeah, I should have been paying attention. That's on me. I'll just leave it off. Sorry for the abrupt ending if you were watching on TikTok. Hello, YouTube people. Okay. If crypto is in reserves, how long will they buy and hold it? So if it's the same like playbook or the same template as Bitcoin, they're going to be buying it, DCAing for 5 years, and they'll be holding it for 20 plus years. What do you think about Bitcoin maximalism or maximalism in general? Twitter acting crazy over the reserve. I think it's super toxic. It's silly. In reality, there is not one coin that is sufficient for everything. It doesn't exist. Like XRPs are like this, and they think it's only going to be XRP, and they have this elitist mindset, and it's like a world domination thing. It's not only is it toxic, but it's scary. It's like dystopian is the only way where that will succeed. And I'm not in favor of that. So I think it's toxic. I don't think it's correct either. Like, we already saw it. So Bitcoin, and then boom, 4 others. There you go. Hello, YouTube crypto influencer. What's up, bro? 20 years XRP might be 10K. Not in the way that we think about 10K. Not in the way that we think about 10K. Is the partnership with a coal in the crypto space? No. Way bigger than that. Way bigger. All right, guys. I'm going to get ready for... We have a whale meeting in 30 minutes. So if you're a whale, make sure you guys attend that. If not, no worries. Are you going to live stream the Donald Trump speech? When is the Donald Trump speech? I might come back on and do it. When is that supposed to be? When's he supposed to go live? $6 p.m. Tomorrow or today? 6 p.m. what? How do you become a whale? You need to have 5 million Solnic. And then you do /whale in the Telegram group. 7 p.m. Mountain Time. What is that? 8 p.m. my time. I'm going to be 9 p.m. Eastern. Okay, so it's in like 30 minutes. Okay. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to bump up the whale meeting if the whales are okay with it. And then maybe I'll come back and do the live stream. But that means I need to end this right now. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this time. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch. I'm gonna try to do this. I'm gonna try to transition 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna try to come back and do that because I think that's gonna be a big thing. But all right, guys, peace, love, prosperity. God first. God bless.